We've always been wanting to do a river cruise, and mainly through their advertising. To me, the adverts were attractive, and also reports that had come through. One or two friends had been with Riviera before, and they had really enjoyed it, so we thought we'd give it a try.
The whole package has been an experience. There's no pressure for anything. The staff can't do enough for you.
My highlight has actually been the cruising on the boat. It's been very, very relaxing. I have a very busy life, and this really slows things down. So I think it's a great way of taking a holiday.
We've enjoyed seeing Vienna and Budapest and the larger ones, but having seen them, we prefer the smaller ones like Bratislava.
I think the favorite city at the moment is Salzburg. It's quite concise. The area we go to, the city centre, within walking distance, I'm very impressed.
Quite amazing, some of the places that we've been to. And it's nice to see the other side, how other countries live, how their culture is, and how beautiful some of these old villages and towns are.
My favourite place we visited, actually, I think, is Budapest. I really like Budapest. They're all really good, and the whole experience is fantastic, the way the crew look after you when you're on shore.
The guides have been excellent with all the stops we've had.
The staff are outstanding. Can't do enough for you.
The staff, we couldn't fault. They've been also friendly, so helpful, and any question that we've had, they've come back with an answer if they didn't know it. We've thoroughly enjoyed the food, both the variety of the food and the quality of the food.
It's been fantastic, there's no other way to put it. I mean, the choice is very good, the quality of the food is 5-star.
And also healthy, balanced. It's not too heavy, but a lot of choice. I like that.
I've never tasted such beautiful food, presentation, everything has been exceptional.
The ship, really, we couldn't fault. We didn't know quite what to expect, but the quality of the fitting out of the cabins and that.
The cabin experience is definitely very interesting on the river cruise. Having such a close proximity to the water and the bank and seeing everything go by, the cabin provides you with that unlike any other. The cabin itself, very nice, very functional, laid out well, plenty of storage space for clothes, tea, coffee making facilities.
Very comfortable, very relaxed. The time we spend on the ship is meeting our expectation, I would say.
It feels family orientated. It's not overfull, it's just got enough people on it. And you can get to know people better. Without a doubt, I would travel with you ever again. Standards are extremely high in all areas. It's been fantastic, and it has generally been fantastic.
We'd certainly consider travelling with Riviera again and wouldn't really look elsewhere.
I would recommend Riviera to my friends. And actually, one of them already asked me, so what cruise you are joining? And then she said, ask me to share more with her when I'm back.
It's a fantastic way to de-stress. I mean, recently I was very ill, and this is the first holiday I've taken since I recovered. And I'd say this is a fantastic form of recuperation as well as a holiday. I'm sure I'd come back and feel like I was amongst friends. You know, it's that kind of atmosphere. There's nothing negative I could say about it, and I could just go on and on about saying positive things about it, but we'd run out of time.